Good Friday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Visiting now with Ag Meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather Now, as well as WeatherValet. Chris, warm and windy the next few days before a major change in the forecast.
Yeah, Joe, we're going to see a significant change in the forecast over the next 72 hours. And by the time we come back and talk Monday morning, it's going to feel much more like fall, as we're probably going to see morning temperatures around 40 degrees. And we're going to see afternoon temperatures in the upper 50s, maybe getting 60. That'll depend if there's rain showers and going on or not there on Monday. Out there this morning, we got temperatures that are in the lower 50s out along the Kansas-Colorado border. We got 52 in Burlington, 50 degrees out there in Ray, and then we got 56 in Chiquita-Gidlin, 57 in Colby and Oakley. And then you get a little bit farther to the north and east, and McCook and Oberlin, we got a little bit of patchy fog being reported, and 53 and 54. The difference is we've got calm winds or a light southeast direction in those two monitors, and we got south winds at 10 miles per hour in all the other monitors where the skies are clear to start the morning. So those south winds are going to pick up as the day goes on. We're going to see them picking up to 15 to 25 this afternoon, gusting to 35 late in the afternoon towards evening, and then overnight they're going to continue to blow at that 35, 40 miles an hour. And then for tomorrow, as a front starts moving into the area and a trough comes over the Rockies, we're going to see those winds pick up 40, 45, 55 miles per hour during the day tomorrow. That's going to be the hazardous weather potential that we're going to be dealing with. We could have some blowing dust before that front arrives. That means reduced visibilities out there on I-70 is a potential on those east-west highways. So traveling would become a concern, and always the high-profile vehicles when you get those wind gusts over 50 miles per hour. Also, we're going to see the chance for maybe some scattered rain showers as that front moves through late in the afternoon, evening. Best bet is they'll be to our north up in Nebraska along the Kansas-Nebraska border. Any severe weather threat will be limited to that Three Corners area and be just a minor risk for the severe weather potential with that frontal passage. Not expecting a lot of moisture, but could be dry with that blowing dust, so something to remember. Temperature-wise, we're going to get hot this afternoon. One more day of that unseasonably warm 20-degree above normal temperatures. They'll be in the upper 80s, low 90s. As those south winds increase, tonight's lows will be mild, right around 60 degrees. Get to tomorrow, we'll still probably see temperatures in those middle 80s before that front arrives. Overnight lows are going to drop into the upper 40s and low 50s, and then on Monday and Sunday, we're going to see colder temperatures. We'll probably be in the upper 60s, low 70s for Sunday. Don't expect any rain showers on Sunday. It'll probably continue to still be breezy. We got those northeasterly winds. They'll be 15, 30 miles per hour. And then as we get to Monday, Tuesday, we got a second disturbance. A cold front will come through. We got cloudier skies. The chances for rain showers develop for both those days. Temperatures will be in those upper 50s, low 60s, overnight lows, upper 30s, low 40s. When we clear out on Thursday or Wednesday morning, that's when the temperatures will drop into the 30s, maybe some frost out in Colorado. Not likely in Kansas, as we'll be above freezing in those upper 30s, low 40s. Then temperatures will rebound back into the upper 60s on Thursday. Sunshine will come back on Friday, back into the 70s, and it looks like after the chances for rain next week, we got a week of drier, warmer weather with temperatures back up in those middle to upper 70s, low 80s, and disturbances coming a little more hit and miss. The next trough will be around the 14th and 15th, where we could see another flip in the weather where it gets colder and rain, potentially snow up in the mountains, comes back into the forecast.
Once again, that's Ag Meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather Now, as well as WeatherValet for 106.1 KYVZ. I'm Joe Vazurek.